Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Tamara's Bargains, and today I have video 2 for you guys of the Saved by the Bell Wet and Wild collection. So if this is your first time viewing this video, I will link the other 2 videos down below in my description for you guys to watch the other two. I have an unboxing of the actual Saved by the Bell collection, and then also I have the first video I did, which I did Lisa Turtle's makeup. So today I'm actually gonna do Kelly Kapowski's makeup and see how that goes, and tomorrow will be Jesse's makeup. So if you're not yet subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon button in the corner to let you know when I upload my future videos. So I will have one more video up tomorrow, which is Christmas, and it is Christmas Eve today. So Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy Hanukkah and Happy Kwanzaa, and if there's a holiday that I didn't mention, please let me know down below. And also, let's get into this. Before, I always say when I'm starting my videos, grab your coffee, tea, or in this case, eggnog, and let's get into this video. So, cheers. Oh. Eggnog for Christmas is so good. I always start drinking it during Thanksgiving. But yeah, Christmas. And I got my Dollar Tree cup that says, Santa, just bring me wine. Which wine will be in here in a couple hours. Trust and believe. It is noon, so it's safe to say I could drink a little bit of wine, but this is not spiked, just regular eggnog with a little bit of nutmeg sprinkled in it, and it is so bomb. So let's actually start getting into this so that you guys are not watching my face. Like I already put my bottom, scratch myself, the bottom base of my face. I put on my sunscreen, my vitamin C serum under my eyes. I already did a little bit of my makeup that I talked about in the first video. Again, that video will be linked down below. So let me jump right into this video of doing Kelly Kapowski's makeup, which her picture is going to be in the corner. Like I said, I wasn't used to the setting spray or anything, but my makeup actually lasted all day long. Like, it was flawless all day long. The only thing that like came off was the lipstick because I was eating and, you know, drinking water and stuff like that. So it's the only thing that came off, but otherwise the blush, everything stayed on all day. It was amazing. So, and also in the middle of the video, so make sure you're watching about 6 minutes at least into the video, I will reveal the price, because this is a price that you don't want to pass up on. This was a amazing deal. So let me go ahead and get Kelly Kapowski's set out and start putting it on. So this is saying relationship goals, and it has her and Zach kissing. Have you guys ever watched the True Hollywood story behind the Saved by the Bell cast? Very interesting. If you have not checked that out, check that out. And I believe you could actually find it on YouTube as well. It is really interesting. Who actually really liked each other was Lark Varghese, which played Lisa Turtle, and Paul Mark Goslin, and so Zach. So they actually are the ones who actually really liked each other. And don't quote me, but I believe the producers pulled them in and said it wasn't going to be good for the show. So you know why. But it's a whole nother topic. But I mean, they actually had a thing and really liked each other. I thought that was really interesting and really cute. It was like their little school crush with each other. So, but this is what the set looks like. This is Kelly and Zach kissing. What was your guys' favorite couple during the whole Saved by the Bell seasons that you guys watched? Let me know down in this down in the comments below. You're Crazy is the first one I'm gonna put on with the Kapowski, I think I'm saying that right, Kapowski brush, and that one has Screech on it. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time today because, like I said, it is Christmas Eve, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you are wrapping presents, that is my favorite thing to do. I'm good at it. I love wrapping presents. I make funny faces when I put on my makeup, so excuse my funny faces, guys. All right, this one says Only About You is the second one I'm gonna put on, and it's like a pink color. Oh wow, that showed up really good. All right. So that's what it looks like. So I put this one, like the bronzer part, all around at the bottom, under my cheekbones, around the hairline, and then put Only You right here, just a little bit above it to make my cheeks a little bit rosy. All right, and then that goes on so smooth and just it's so pretty. I love both of them so far. So both of the bronzing blush sets are actually both amazing. That was Lisa Turtle's first one I did, and then now that one, Kelly Kapowski's. So let me go ahead and jump into the eyes. Oh, actually I should have used the other brush for the eyes. So this is Zach's cell phone. If you guys remember in the actual video. Hello. So, got the brush set and the makeup palette, the eye palette. Like I said, check out the video that I did yesterday. It was a 24-minute video. I'm sorry it was a little long, but I covered everything from having no makeup to putting everything on. I skipped those steps, so I'm, like I said, not taking up too much of your time. Let me pause this real quick. I gotta sneeze. Okay, sorry about that. I had to sneeze. I'm still going through my allergy attack. So I'm gonna go with Kelly's eye, where I feel she's more like, I want to say the pink tones, but then I'm kind of like going back and forth with the blues. So most likely I'll do the blue ones tomorrow with for Jesse's. So I'm gonna go for pink, and I'm gonna go for Go Tigers, which is actually second one down, Friends Forever, Sweetheart Dance, and okay, so Friends Forever right here, Sweetheart Dance, You, Me, Prom, and most likely Preppy right here. So let me go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with this one right here, which is Friends Forever. Okay, I already see it showing up pretty well. Oh yeah, so you definitely see the pink tones in this. And this is Friends Forever. Okay, so that's actually really good. And I'm putting it in the corner of my eyes as well. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead with, and that's cute, it says Z and K, so I actually picked out the perfect color then. Sweetheart Dance. Go ahead and go over that. So it gives it a little more of a pink tone. Oh yeah, that shows up really cute, guys. All right, so that's cute, like that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit of the purple, but I'm gonna also put in the corner of my eyes. Should have cleaned off my brushes from the other set from yesterday. I'm gonna go in with the little bit on the purple at the ends of my eyes, which is You, Me, Prom with the question mark. So this color right here. Go in at the ends. Okay, this one brush is not working very good for me. I like, this one is e.l.f. and it's an eyeshadow brush. I got that at Dollar Tree. This one actually is my favorite. I actually get, oh my gosh, the eggnog. Sorry guys. I actually get these ones, quite a few of them from Dollar Tree. and use them throughout the year, because these ones just work really well, and then you don't have to take off too much of your eyeshadow off your palette. So that's what I like about this one. And it was, when I bought it, it was for $1. Now my Dollar Trees are $1.25. So if you guys are into my Dollar Tree hauls, I should have one up on Tuesday. I should have a review video for you guys of the Dollar Tree products that I bought and what I liked and what worked out. I usually call them a bang for your buck or a total bust. Okay, so yes, this is going on just fabulous. Okay, so that's You, Me, and Prom with the question mark. Oh yeah. Should have worn my ponytail to the side like they did in the 80s, 90s. All right, so then I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. This is like, doesn't have the name on it. And I studied the brushes before, what their names were, but I don't follow the rules when it comes down to the makeup, so like a little under eye brush, I would say. Okay, so I'm going under the eyes just to get my eyes like at the bottom so you can see it. And this is still the You and Me Prom. I was gonna have this video up earlier, but for some reason my body is like already drained from the holidays. I'm cooking right now, so I smell a little bit of onions and celery and bell peppers in my hand. Oh, I just touched my hair, so now I'm gonna smell like a straight vegetable basket right now, but it smells so good, and my house actually smells like the holidays right now. So okay, so went under my eyes with that. Now I'm also gonna go ahead and go in the corners again with my, this one with this color, hold on, this color right here, and that is 3 Down Preppy. I'm gonna go in the corners right there. Ooh, I can tell I like that already. That was AC Slater's name for Zach Morris. Preppy. And right under here as well. All right, so I said at 6 minutes I was gonna reveal the price to you guys. So this whole palette set, let me show it to you guys, or this whole makeup set was retailing for $69, and I can't be a bargain channel without a bargain. So I was not gonna pay $69 for this set. I paid, clutch your pearls, ladies, $28. $28 for this whole set. And this is gonna be my stocking stuffer. I got it right before Christmas. $28 for everything. I was like, no way, holy smokes, Batman. I got it for that deal. Now, I like to do my little trick where I load up my cart from Ulta Beauty and just watch the prices kind of drop down. But in this case, I was shopping right before I was going to sleep, and I was like looking at stuff, and it showed me one palette. They showed me actually Lisa's Turtles, and it showed for $2.80 or $2.60. And I was like, oh wow, that's a good deal. So I started adding all those into my cart singly. And so I'm like, wow, okay, that went on sale. Then it showed like the mascara was like $2. I was like, no way, like that's a good deal. So then all of a sudden, last but not least, it showed me the whole set, the whole collection for $28. And I was like, no way. Ulta Beauty. So they have it in some selected stores, but online it's mostly sold online for $28. So don't pass that up if you're still looking for a last minute Christmas gift. This was the deal, like the deal of the century. I have a couple other sets that I'm looking at that I'm like waiting for the prices to drop down. Like, I'm a huge Prince fan, and his set started off just the eye makeup alone for I want to say it was $59 or $69. but right now it's at 27 just for like the eyeshadow palette, and I'm just like, hold on, let's see if it'll drop just a little bit more. So we'll see. I love to bargain. Sorry guys, so it's actually Kelly's makeup lip set I'm supposed to do. I accidentally did Jesse's, so I'm gonna cut that out, so you'll see that tomorrow, and I'll explain it tomorrow. Oh my gosh, wake up camera, it's like noon, you should be awake, your coffee intake should be ready, already in your body. Okay, so this is Kelly's. Okay, this is more of a pink color. I can already see in the lip liner. All right. So Kelly's, the right one, the one I was supposed to do. Oh, hers is a brighter pink. Now, so far, I'm really loving Lisa's and Kelly's. I could already tell that. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes. And it's a lip plumping type of lip gloss, so you feel the effects right away. Yeah. Oh yeah, I like this one. All right, so this is Kelly Kapowski's lip set. That's what it looks like. Love it. Also has that bubblegum taste to it. Makes me feel like a kid again. So I'm gonna finish my eyes so you can see the eyes. I'm not too crazy about that's the only thing out of the whole set. I'm not too crazy about the mascara, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it. But I'm also gonna top it off with Ioni. So like I said, if you follow me on my Dollar Tree hauls, you will also see that I'm gonna do a review on this Ioni product. But so far I'm really liking the eyeliner. I used that yesterday. So let me go ahead and do my eyes real quick. I'm gonna time out again and I'll see you in a few seconds. Okay, so I wanted to show you the close-up of what Kelly Kapowski's set looks like with the eyes, the blush, and the lipstick. So here we go. So the colors I used was Preppy. You and Me to the Prom is the darker shade of purple in the corners. And also the other one was Friends Forever. That was all like at the bottom and the top. And the other color is, I use, give me 1 second, sorry guys, is Sweetheart Dance. So you see that too as well above this part. And then as I finished it off with Ioni, the eyeliner. This works so well. And like I said, I'm not crazy about their mascara. It's a thin one. This is really good. Ioni mascara. It's got a dramatic effect. I love that. My eyes, eyelashes look so full, and that's what I love. So, and then for the lipstick of Kelly Kapowski's, right here. Yep, so that's everything. So if you're not yet subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. I hope you guys have a blessed, safe holidays, and I will see you in my next video. I gave you guys a rundown of what I'm going to be doing next week. So most likely I will have a Dollar Tree review for you guys on Sunday, and I will have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys on Tuesday, and then I'll go from there because I don't know exactly what other videos I will have coming up. But be safe and see you in my next video.